kita coba ya. Tadi sudah di copy promnya, coba. Can we play a game like Dungeons and Dragon? Aha. What? Make it klasik aja yuk. Make it klasik RPG. Klasik RPG. Oke, siap-siap. Well, start creating your character. What will your hero be called? Oke, kita dikasih pilihan, coy. Background, you come from wealthy family. Veteran, you grew up in the wilderness. Sekular yuk. Learn individual, knowledgeable in various field of study. Oh, orang terpelajar nih, sekular. Starting equipment, you can choose any primary weapon. Oke, jadi can we play bisa ajak temen nggak ya, biar bertiga gitu. Can you edit teammate gimana tulisannya teammate anjir, teammate ini apa lagi nih, bener dah teammate ya, bener. Can you edit a teammate for me? Okay. Of course, you can have teammate. Enter. Let's create companion for this character. What will your companion be? Banyak ya. You pick the role. Latar belakang apa ya? Kita cek dulu deh. Background kayaknya. Belakang. Background dah bener. You pick the role teammate and the back and their background hidup ya, live gitu. Gitu deh, coba. Create a well-rounded teammate for your advance. Someone who can complement your skill and add depth. Sorry. Ini nih. Namanya anjir, Lyra Windrunner. Mantap sekali. Class Ranger, personality. Lyra is calm and collected with us. She is better but loyal. Loyal. Lyra grew up in the deep forest. Let's teaming with ancient magic. Apa tadi? F ya, bener dah. She learn navigate the will and become an expert tracker and archer. Dia pemanah deh coy. Her parents were guardian of the forest. Penjaga ya, pelindung lah ya, pelindung hutan. And she inherit their duty to protect the land from any threat. Jadi tau lah. Dia keluarganya ya, parent. However, after the dark force began corrupting the forest, Lyra left her home to seek help, determined to find a way to save her people and her homeland. Jadi dia dalam keadaan bahaya ya. Role in the party. Lyra will act as escort and rank support. She excels in stealth, tracking, and rank combat. She can also navigate difficult terrain, allowing the party to traverse challenging environment. Oke. Jadi aku sekarang ya. Aku belum disetting coy karakter name. My character name. My character name is Yoga. Udah, nama udah. Race-nya human aja lah. Race human. Kelas apa ya enak ya? Roju. Mage kali ya. Mage aja lah, pengen mage gua. Kelas mage. Backgroundnya, nah ini. Nobel. You come from wealthy family, dari keluarga kaya katanya, dengan status yang tinggi. Waduh, nggak usah lah. Soldier, veteran of many battle, trained in the art war. Nggak usah lah. Outlander. You grew up in the wilderness. Outlander. Apa itu ya? Coba kita cari. Outlander is salah. Orang asing. Iyalah, bebas. Hidup di alam liar katanya, jauh dari kehidupan. Civilization, peradaban. Ya mungkin peradaban sih. Kriminal anjir, ngapain nih? Roju with a pass. Roju. Johnny and Steel. Nggak usah. Skip. Nah, Scholar kayaknya enak nih. Learn individual knowledgeable in various field of Scholar aja lah. Anak sekolahan ya. Background Scholar. Tulisannya gimana tadi anjir? Mana dia, Cuk? Scholar. Oke. Starting equipment. My starting equipment. Salah tulis. Equipment is staff. Tentunya ya, karena kita make staff and potion. Siap. Memori diperbarui. As a scholar, Yoga is curious and highly knowledgeable in the arcane. Arcane ini bukannya arcane. Batin anjir. Jago. Arcane art. Seni batin gitu? Gimana maksudnya? He approached challenge with strategic mind and prefer to think his way. He has natural affinity for magic and enjoy discovering new spell and skill. Okay. How much you first decision? But BTW, how much gold I have now? BTW, how much gold I have now? Current gold. Dikasih 50 cuy. 50 gold piece. Oke. Human make Yoga. Anjay. Siap. This amount should be enough to get you start on your journey, allowing you to purchase any additional. You can earn more gold as you progress through the outfit. Trading valuable item. Would you like to visit the village first or Head straight into Whispering Wood. Bentar. Suasana. Aku pingin cari tahu arti suasana. Suasana. Nuance ya? Atmosfer. Suasana sekitar gitu. Can you give me the image of the atmosphere? Can you give me the image of the atmosphere? I'm standing now. Can you give me coba yuk, kita coba. Ini dikasih gambarannya ya. Ini katanya gambarnya cuy. Hutannya serem. Oke, hutan serem. Here is the map of atmosphere you are standing in the edge of the Whispering Wood. The forest is shrouded in mist with an eerie nih mengerikan, magical vibe surrounding you and Lyra as you prepare to begin your adventure. What will you do next? Mulai. Give me an idea or optional.
Sure. Here are a few options you could consider as you stand at the edge of the Whispering Woods. 1. Explore the village. Nearby, there's a small village where you could gather more information about the Whispering Woods. The villagers might know more about the dangers within, and you could purchase supplies or even hire a guide. 2. Enter the forest cautiously. If you're eager to start your adventure, you can enter the forest right away. Lyra can lead you through the safest paths, but you should be prepared for unexpected encounters. 3. Set up a camp. Since it's getting darker, you might decide to set up a camp at the edge of the forest. This would allow you to rest and prepare for the journey ahead, while also keeping an eye on the forest to see if anything unusual happens during the night. 4. Investigate the whispers. The eerie whispers in the air seem to be coming from deeper within the woods. You could try to use your magic to investigate these whispers, perhaps uncovering some hidden knowledge or a clue about what lies ahead. Each option will lead to different encounters and outcomes. What do you think Yoga would do?
Kita cek dulu. Gini sih. As long we play, can you correct anjir, tulis aja salah. Correct my grammar. As long we play, can you correct my grammar? Jadi tadi dikasih pilihan explore the village, enter the forest cautiously. The eerie whisper in the air seem to be coming from deeper within the wood. Datang dari hutan. Ini mengerikan katanya. Ada bisikan mengerikan. You could try to use magic to investigate. Mending explore the village dulu yuk. Explore the village.
It sounds like you meant to say explore the village.
Oh, sure.
If that's correct, let's proceed. Exploring the village. You and Lyra decide to head to the nearby village before venturing into the Whispering Woods. The village, known as Elder Tree, is small and rustic, with thatched roof cottages and cobblestone streets. The villagers seem wary of strangers, but they watch you curiously as you approach. You notice a few key places in the village that might be worth visiting. 1. The tavern. a cozy building where villagers gather. You might overhear useful rumors or talk to the barkeep for information about the forest. 2, the general store, a small shop where you can buy supplies like food, potions, or maybe even some magical items. 3, the village elder's house. The village elder is known to be wise and knowledgeable about the surrounding areas. He might have valuable advice or even a quest for you. Where would you like to go first?
Baca dulu naskahnya. The Tavern. Oke, kasih bedanya. Oh, benar. Jadi sebelum kita masuk hutan, kita mengeksplor desa, ya benar. Katanya nama desanya Elder Tree. Oh, kayu tua ya. Is a small and rustic. Rustic ini apa, cuy? Rustic. What the fuck? Pedesaan. Oh, rustic pedesaan. Tinggal di desa, rustiket. Oke, pedesaan. Sampai mana tadi? With thatched roof. Kotek apa thatched roof? Thatchednya enggak tahu gua. Thatched. Anjir. Thatched. Oh, roof tuh atap ya, benar. Beratap jerami. Kotek tuh kotek pondok. Oh, pondok cuy. Jadi pondok jerami and cobblestone street. Oh, jalan setapak gitu mungkin ya. Street. The villager seem wary. Wary itu kayak bertanya-tanya dia gitu ya. Atau heran. Waspada. Oh, waspada. Ya gitulah. The villager seem wary of stranger. Kita dibilang stranger nih. Oke, kita dianggap stranger, but they watch you closely as you approach. You notice few key places in the village you might be worth visiting. Oke, ini dikasih pilihan. The Tavern, a cozy building where village gather. You make over here useful rumor. Oh, kita bisa mendengar rumor katanya. And talk to the barkeep for information about the forest. The general store, a small shop where you can buy supplies like food, potion, or maybe even some magical item. Bentar, semuanya kita kunjungi satu-satu. The village elder house. The village elder. Oke. Let's move to the tavern first.
You and Lyra make your way to the village tavern. The building is warm and inviting, with the soft glow of lanterns spilling out from the windows. As you push open the heavy wooden door, you're greeted by the smell of roasting meat and the sound of lively conversation. Inside, the tavern is bustling with activity. Villagers sit around rough-hewn tables, laughing and sharing stories. A bard is playing a tune in the corner, adding to the lively atmosphere. The barkeep, a burly man with a kind face, is serving drinks behind the counter. As you enter, the noise quiets down a bit, with a few of the villagers giving you curious looks. The barkeep nods in your direction, gesturing for you to come closer. Options. 1. Talk to the barkeep. Approach the counter and strike up a conversation with the barkeep. He might know something about the Whispering Woods, or have heard some interesting rumors. 2. Listen to the bard. The bard's song seems to be about an old legend. You could listen in to see if it provides any clues or inspiration. 3. Mingle with the villagers. Take a seat at one of the tables and join the conversation. The villagers might have useful information or stories about the forest. What would you like to do?
Baca dulu naskahnya. Itu banyak sekali, coy. As you push open the heavy wooden door, you're greeted by the smell of roasting meat. Oh, aroma dari daging panggang ya. And the sound of lively conversation. Oh, dari ada percakapan, ada bunyi-bunyi percakapan. Inside the tavern is bustling with activity. Bustling ini apa, cuy? Oh, ramai. Di dalam tavern ramai dengan aktivitas. Villagers sit around rock hand table, logging and sharing stories. Obat nih kayaknya yang main musik ya. Is playing a tune in the corner, adding to the lively atmosphere. The barkeep, a burly man with kind face, is serving. Burly itu apa ya? Burly. Kita cek. Kekar, anjir, kekar. Barkeep, burly man. Oh, dia kekar nih. Barkeep tuh apa ya? Penjaga barnya ya? With kind face. Ya, mukanya baik gitu. He's serving drink behind the counter. Oh, dia menyiapkan minuman. As you enter, the noise quiet down a bit. Few villagers giving you curious look. Oh, masih terheran-heran ya. Apa namanya itu? Warga-warga desanya. The barkeep nods in your direction. Nod. What is nod mean? Anggukan. Oh, mengangguk deh cuy. The barkeep nod in your direction. Gesturing. Oh, dia pakai gesture dia for you to come closer. Oh, baik. Barkeepnya baik nih. Ini optionnya talk to barkeep. Approach the counter and strike up conversation with the barkeep. He make know something about the whispering wood. Mungkin dia tahu. Listening to bat. The bat song seem to be about an old legend. Aku mau. Can you give me image? Can you give me the image? Can you give me the image inside tavern? Can you give me the image inside tavern? Hahaha. Kita minta cuy, biar ada gambaran. Kok nggak dibalas cuy? Anjir nggak dibalas cuy. Bukan image itu anjir. Aku perlu gambar. Nah, inilah memuat gambar. disuruh membayangkan cuy. Oh iya deh, gak apa-apa deh, gak dikasih image-nya katanya. Let's listen to the bard.
You find a cozy spot near the bard and take a seat. The bard is strumming a lute and singing a ballad about ancient legends and lost treasures. The melody is enchanting, and the lyrics speak of a powerful artifact hidden deep within the Whispering Woods. As you listen, you catch snippets of information that might be useful. The song mentions a guardian spirit protecting the artifact. There are rumors of traps and illusions set to deter intruders. The bard hints at a secret path that only those with a special sign can find. After the performance, the tavern patrons seem eager to share their own stories. The bard finishes his song and takes a bow, and the crowd applauds. Options: 1. Talk to the bard. Approach him and ask if he knows more about the guardian spirit or the secret path. 2. Ask the villagers. Mingle with the villagers and see if anyone has additional information or has heard more details about the forest. 3. Return to the barkeep. Go back to the counter and ask the barkeep if he has any more information or if he can confirm what you heard in the song. What would you like to do next?
Mending nanya bardnya aja ya. Terus baca loh. A lute Strumming lute. Lute itu apa? Lute. Gitar kah? Lute. Kecapi anjir, main kecapi batnya. Oh, dia menggesek kecapi and singing a ballad about ancient. Menyanyi lagu balad mungkin ya. Tentang Ancient Legend. Waduh. Tentang legenda zaman kuno ya kayaknya. And Lost Treasure. Oh, dan harta karun ya kayaknya. The melody is enchanting and the lyrics speak of the powerful artifact hidden deep with the whisper wood. Oh, liriknya ngasih tahu gitu liriknya bahwa ada powerful artifact tersembunyi deep within the whispering wood, di dalam. Oh, di dalam kedalamannya hutan whispering ini ya. You catch snippet of information. Song mention. Oh, guardian spirit protecting the artifact. Jadi penjaga artefaknya. There are rumor of trap and illusion set the intruder. Ada trap katanya cuy. Ada jebakan. And illusion set to deter intruder. Oh, kayaknya untuk ada yang biar nggak ada yang bisa mendekat itu, kita dikasih ilusi. The bard hint at a secret path, the only to with special second path. Special sick. Waduh, emang punya. After the performance, the tavern patron semi-eagle. Kita tanya bardnya aja lah. Talk to the bard.
It seems like you meant to say, talk to the bard. Let's go ahead with that. You approach the bard as he finishes his performance and begins to pack away his loot. He looks up at you with a friendly smile, clearly pleased that you enjoyed his song. That was a beautiful song. I couldn't help but notice you mentioned a guardian spirit and a secret path in the Whispering Woods. Do you know more about these things? The bard nods thoughtfully, taking a moment before he speaks. Ah, yes, the Whispering Woods. It's a place shrouded in mystery. The guardian spirit is said to be an ancient being bound to protect the artifact. Some say it's a creature of great power, while others believe it's a restless soul tied to the woods. He leans in closer, lowering his voice. As for the secret path, it's not easily found. Legend has it that only those with a certain symbol, an emblem of sorts, can see the entrance. The symbol is said to be hidden somewhere in the village, or perhaps within the woods themselves. The bard gives you a sly grin. But be careful. The forest is full of illusions and tricks, meant to confuse and mislead those who seek the artifact. Tread lightly, my friend. Options 1 ask about the symbol. Inquire further about the emblem the bard mentioned. Where could it be found? 2. Thank the bard and return to Lyra. Thank him for the information and return to Lyra to discuss your next steps. 3. Tip the bard. Give him a small tip of gold to show your appreciation and see if he'll share any more secrets. What will you do?
Kita lihat skripnya. Jadi dia datangi bardnya. Setelah dia finish ya, menyelesaikan performan dan mulai beres-beres kayaknya dia. Oh, dia ngepak gininya kecapinya. He looks up at you with friendly smile. Oh, dia baik. Clearly pleased that you enjoy his song. Gua ngomong nih, yoga katanya. That was a beautiful song. I couldn't have but notice you mentioned a guardian spirit and a secret path in the Whispering Wood. Do you know more about this thing? The bard nodded thoughtfully, taking a moment before he speak. Yes, the Whispering Wood. It's place shrouded in mystery. Shrouded, ini nggak tahu gua nih. Shrouded. Terselubung. Oh, misterinya terselubung tuh banyak tuh. Banyak misteri katanya tuh. Tempat itu terselubung dengan misteri katanya. The guardian spirit is said to be an ancient being. Aha, makhluk ginilah ya. Makhluk mitos masa lalu. Bound to protect the artifact. Oh, dia terikat gitu ya. Emang disuruh nyaga artefak. Some say it's creature of great power. Jadi dia punya kekuatan yang besar. While other believe, sedangkan yang lain percaya juga, it's a restless soul that in the wood. Nah, ini apa nih restless nih? Tidak istirahat gitu? Restless. Gelisah? Worried. Oh, gelisah. Gelisah. Oh, jiwa yang gelisah gitu ya. Tied to the wood. Tied ini kayak terikat sih kayaknya. Tied. Apa ya tied ya? Terikat. Oh bener cuy. Terikat ya. He leaned in closer, lowering his voice. Lean tuh kayak gimana ya bilangnya ya? Lean. Bersandar. Aha. Dia mendekat lah. Lowering his voice. Jadi mengecilkan suaranya. As for the secret path, it's not easily found. Oh. Tidak gampang kan yang ditemukan jalan rahasianya. Legend has it that only those with a certain symbol. Jadi legenda mengatakan siapa saja dengan simbol, pokoknya punya simbol lah. Emblem of sword. Emblem. Swordnya itu apa, Cuk? Lambang semacam itu. Can see the entrance. Oh, bisa melihat jalan masuknya. The symbol is said to be hidden somewhere in the village. Lah, tersembunyi katanya di village, katanya di desa ini. Or perhaps within the wood themselves, atau di hutan. The bud give you a sly grin. Sly or sly. How do you know? Sly. Licik. Licik. Budnya licik cuy. Grin. Anjir, grin aja gak tahu. Grin. Menyeringai. Oh, ada maksudnya lah dia. Mana? Tadi sampai mana, Cuk? But be careful. The forest is full of illusion and trick. Nah, benar. Ini kan banyak jebakan lah, ilusi juga. Untuk membingungkan. Pokoknya tanpa arah dari those who seek the artifact. Yang mencari artefak. Treat likely. Likely itu kayak apa ya? Likely. Enteng. Anggap enteng katanya. Kita kasih tip ke Bard. Pilihan nomor 3. Tip the Bard.
You decide to show your appreciation for the bard's valuable information. Reaching into your pouch, you pull out a few gold coins and hand them to the bard. Thank you for the song and the information. Here's a little something to show my appreciation. The bard's eyes light up as he accepts the coins with a grateful nod. Thank you, kind mage. Your generosity is most welcome. He pockets the coins and leans in slightly, lowering his voice again. I'll share one more piece of advice. The symbol you seek might be closer than you think. Sometimes the answers are hidden in plain sight, within the most unexpected places. With that, the bard gives you a wink and returns to his seat, humming softly to himself. You now have a little more information about the symbol and the mysterious guardian spirit. Options 1. Discuss with Lyra. Head back to Lyra and discuss what you've learned, deciding your next course of action. 2. Search the tavern for clues. Since the bard hinted that the symbol might be close, you could start searching the tavern itself for any signs or clues. 3. Leave the tavern and explore the village further, perhaps visiting the general store or the elder's house. What will you do next?
Oke, gitulah. Kita baca ya. Jadi kita ngasih tip mengeluarkan a few gold, beberapa gold katanya. I hand them to, ngasih ke Bud. Yoga ngomong nih, thank you for the song and the information. Here a little something to show my appreciation. Oke. The Bud is like up. Matanya, kayaknya suka dia dikasih. As he accept the coin with grateful note. Tadi apaan note ya? Lupa gua. Mengangguk. Dia mengangguk. Thank you can make. Terima kasih katanya. Make yang baik. He pocket the coin and lean in slightly. Dia mengantongi koinnya and lean in slightly, lowering his voice again. Lagi dikasih tahu nih. I'll share one more piece of advice. Dikasih tahu gini lagi nih. Rahasia lagi nih. The symbol you seek might be closer than you think. Katanya simbolnya yang dicari mungkin lebih dekat daripada yang kau pikir. Pokoknya lebih dekat lah sebenarnya. Sometimes the answer are hidden in plain sight. Plain. Polos. Penglihatan yang polos gitu. Within the most unexpected place. Oke. Jadinya di tempat yang tidak diharapkan ya gitu ya. The Bud give you a wink and return to his seat. Gitu pokoknya. You now have a little more information about the symbol and mysterious guardian spirit. Tindakan selanjutnya. Ini dah yang kedua kayaknya ya. Discuss to Lyra aja. Untuk apa coba punya gini ya, punya temen cu. Discuss to Lyra.
You return to Lyra, who has been keeping a watchful eye on the tavern's activities while you were speaking with the bard. She raises an eyebrow as you approach, sensing that you've learned something important. The bard shared some interesting information. He mentioned a guardian spirit in the Whispering Woods that protects the artifact, and he also spoke of a secret path that can only be found by those with a special emblem. He hinted that the symbol might be hidden somewhere close by, possibly even in the village. Lyra nods thoughtfully, her eyes scanning the room. That's valuable information. If the emblem is hidden here, it might be worth searching the tavern or other parts of the village before we venture into the woods. We don't want to wander in blind. She pauses for a moment, then adds, or we could try to learn more about this guardian spirit and the traps that lie ahead. Both could be crucial to our success. Options 1, search the tavern. Begin searching the tavern for any clues or signs that might lead you to the emblem. 2, visit the village elder. The village elder might know more about the symbol or the guardian spirit. Visiting him could provide more clarity. 3, investigate the Whispering Woods. If you feel ready, you could head directly into the forest and see if you can find the secret path or the guardian spirit. What's your next move?
Oke, kita dikasih pilihan. Jadi ini Yoga berkata, dia ngasih tahu ke Lyra ya. Si Yoga ngasih tahu ke Lyra. Oke. Katanya the Bard sharing some interesting information. Dia share ya? Membagikan. Dia menyebutkan guardian spirit in the Whispering Wood that protect the artifact. And he also spoke of a secret path. Yang tadi lah. Katanya bisa jadi di dekat kita, katanya nih simbolnya. Possibly even in the village. Mungkin bisa jadi di desa. Desa ini ya. Dia mencari. Lyra nyoba mencari di sekitar ya. If the emblem is hidden here, It might be worth searching the tavern or other part of the village. Dia mencari di barnya dulu nih. Before we venture in the wood. Sebelum masuk hutan ya. We don't want to wander in a blind. Wander. Pokoknya dia tidak mau berjalan-jalan tanpa arah gitulah. She paused for a moment, then add, or we could try to learn more about this guardian spirit and the trap that lie ahead. Kita kayaknya nanya elder village-nya deh. Mending langsung nanya gini deh. Investigate the Whispering Wood. Bentar, yang kedua aja lah. Visit the elder.
You and Lyra decide that visiting the village elder might provide the answers you need. Leaving the tavern, you make your way through the cobblestone streets of Eldertree toward the elder's house. It's a modest but well-kept cottage on the outskirts of the village, surrounded by a garden filled with herbs and flowers. As you approach, an old man with a long white beard steps out to greet you. His eyes are sharp and wise, and he carries himself with a quiet strength. Welcome, travelers. I've been expecting you. Word travels fast in a small village like ours. We're hoping you can help us. We've heard there's a symbol or emblem that might help us find a secret path in the Whispering Woods. The bard mentioned it, and we thought you might know more. The elder nods slowly as if considering your request. The Whispering Woods, a place of great mystery and danger. The emblem you seek is indeed the key to finding the secret path, but it's not something that can be easily found. It requires a test of both wisdom and courage. He gestures toward an old stone pedestal in his garden. On it rests a simple wooden box, intricately carved with symbols. Inside this box lies a riddle. Solve it, and the emblem will be revealed to you. But be warned, this is not just a test of intellect, but of heart. The forest only grants passage to those it deems worthy. He steps back, allowing you to approach the pedestal. Options: 1. Attempt to solve the riddle. Approach the box and try to solve the riddle to obtain the emblem. 2. Ask for more clues. Before attempting the riddle, ask the elder if he can provide any additional hints or guidance. 3. Discuss with Lyra. Take a moment to discuss with Lyra how best to approach this challenge. What will you do?
Jadi kita kayaknya harus memecahkan puzzle yang dikasih sama elder. Mungkin ya, ntar lo baca lo. Baca skrip. You and Lyra decide to visiting the village. Living the tavern you make. It's a modest but well-kept cottage on the outskirts of the village. Oke. Old man with a long white beard. Jadi orang tua dengan gini yang panjang ya, apa namanya ya? Apa ya? Apa beard tuh kayak ya gitulah, ginilah. Sampai mana tadi? Yes. Nih, village elder berkata, "Welcome, traveler. I've been expecting you." Kok dia tahu gitu kedatangan kita gitu? Word travel fast in the small village like our. Katanya kata travel cepat gitu ya. Kata kayak gosip gitu ya mungkin ya. In a small village like our. Merembes gitu kata-kata gosipnya gitu. We're hoping you can help us. Dia minta tolong. Yoga nih ngomong ya. Oke, Yoga ngomong gitu. Dia minta tolong. We've heard their symbol or emblem that make help us find a secret path in the Whispering Wood. Katanya sebenarnya si Batnya yang nyuruh nih. The elder nods slowly as he mempertimbangkan Apa yang kita minta? The Whispering Wood, a place of great mystery and danger. The emblem you seek is indeed the key to finding the secret path. But it's not something that can be easily found. Karena tidak mudah lah ditemukan. It require a test of both wisdom and courage. Ada tesnya nih. He gestured toward an old stone pedestal in his garden. On it rests a simple wooden box carved with symbol. Apa nih jadinya kayak peti gitu ya? Inside this box lies a riddle. Riddle itu apa, Cuk? Teka-teki. Wow, di dalamnya ada teka-teki, cuy. Disuruh solve it nih. Disuruh memecahkan. And the emblem will be revealed to you. Nah, nanti emblemnya muncul. But be warned. Diperingati nih. This is not just a test of intellect. Ini bukan hanya sekedar tes gini ya, kecerdasan ya. But of heart. Oh, hati anjay. Tes hati. Nah, apa ya lah, gitulah. The forest only grant passage to those deemed worthy. Kita harus berguna. Dim apa tadi? Dim ya? Menganggap berharga ya, dim worthy, berharga. Pokoknya berharga lah kita harus. Pedestal nih gimana sebenarnya ya? Pedestal. Apa sih? Alas. Bisa nggak ya minta fotonya gitu ya? Of the elder. Eldernya dulu deh, gimana bentuknya dia? Ya nggak dikasih tahu, Cuk. Inilah appearance-nya di flag release. Oh, ginilah tampang si eldernya. Oke, gitulah. Jadi kita minta info lebih deh kayaknya. Ask for more clue. Ask for more clue.
You decide to ask the elder for more guidance before attempting the riddle. Yoga, the riddle sounds challenging and I don't want to make any mistakes. Could you offer us any more clues or advice before we try to solve it? The elder smiles kindly, as if he expected this question. He takes a deep breath, his gaze becoming distant as he recalls ancient knowledge. The riddle you will face is not just a puzzle of words, but a reflection of your own character. To succeed, you must think not only with your mind, but with your heart. The emblem you seek is connected to the forest, to its very essence. Consider the nature of the woods, their mysteries, their dangers, and their beauty. The answer lies in understanding what the forest truly represents. He pauses, letting his words sink in before continuing. Remember, sometimes the simplest answer is the right one. Do not overthink, but also do not underestimate the wisdom of the woods. With that, he steps back and gestures toward the box on the pedestal once more. Options. 1. Attempt to solve the riddle. With the elder's advice in mind, approach the box and try to solve the riddle. 2. Discuss with Lyra. Before attempting the riddle, discuss the elder's clues with Lyra to see if she has any insights. 3. Thank the elder and leave. If you're not ready to attempt the riddle, you could thank the elder and leave to explore more of the village or prepare further. What will you do?
Oke. Teka-tekinya katanya challenging. Oke, challenging. Nantang gitu ya. Aku tidak ingin membuat kesalahan tertentu lah, kata Yoga. Could you offer us any more clues or advice before we try to solve? Dia minta advice katanya, minta saran. The elder smile kindly. Oh dia gini lah, senyum baik. Wah, senyum baik. As if he expected this question. Oh dia mengharapkan dah dia. Kita nanya. He take a deep breath. His gas. Itu apa tuh? Anjir. Tatapan. Oh tatapan guys. His gaze becoming distant as he recall ancient knowledge. Tatapannya menjadi distant. Distant apa? Jauh. Oh, tatapannya jauh. Oh, dia mengingat kembali pengetahuan yang lama ya, ancient knowledge. The riddle you will face is not just a puzzle. Katanya bukan cuma puzzle kata-kata, tapi reflection of your own character. Oh, refleksi diri kita gitu. To success, you must think not only with your mind but with your heart. Oh, dengan kata hati. Jangan cuma dengan pikiran. The emblem you seek is connected to the forest. Jadi emblemnya tuh terkoneksi ke hutan, to its very essence. Consider the nature, mempertimbangkan alam of the wood, their mysteries, their danger, bahayanya, and their beauty, dan kecantikan itulah. The answer lies in understanding what the forest truly represents. He paused, letting his words sink in before continuing. Remember, sometime the simplest answer is right one. Do not overthink, but also do not underestimate the wisdom of the wood. Oh. Coba pecahkan yuk puzzle-nya yuk. Attempt to solve the riddle. Attempt to solve the riddle. Bener gak sih?
You decide it's time to face the challenge. With the elder's advice in mind, you approach the stone pedestal where the intricately carved wooden box rests. As you lift the lid, you find a small piece of parchment inside, on which the riddle is written in elegant script. I am not alive, but I grow. I do not have lungs, but I need air. I do not have a mouth, and I can drown. What am I? The riddle is simple, yet profound, and you know the answer must align with the nature of the Whispering Woods. Options: 1. Contemplate the answer. Take a moment to think about the riddle's clues and what it could represent. 2. Discuss with Lyra. Share the riddle with Lyra to see if she has any thoughts or insights. 3. Ask the elder for confirmation. If you think you know the answer, you could ask the elder if you're on the right track. What will you do?
Oke, kita baca skripnya. I'm not alive. But I grow. Aku tidak hidup, tapi aku tumbuh. I do not have a lung. Lung tuh kayak apa ya? Hati ya. But I need air. Tapi dia butuh udara. Dia tidak punya hati, tapi dia butuh udara. I do not have a mouth. Dia tidak punya mulut. And I can drown. Tenggelam gitu. I can drown. Dia bisa tenggelam, maksudnya? Ya, menenggelamkan. Hah? Dia tak hidup. Apa dong? Tapi dia tumbuh. Nah, tanya lagi deh. Nggak bisa nanya kayak. Discuss to Lyra yuk, anjir. Discuss to Lyra.
You decide to share the riddle with Lyra to get her thoughts. You walk back over to where she's standing, and she listens carefully as you recite the riddle. Yoga. The riddle says, I am not alive, but I grow. I do not have lungs, but I need air. I do not have a mouth, and I can drown. What am I? What do you think it could mean? Lyra furrows her brow. thinking deeply for a moment, it sounds like it's describing something natural, something connected to the forest. The part about growing without being alive? Maybe it's something like fire? Fire grows, but it's not alive and it needs air to survive. It can also be extinguished by water, which could be what it means by drowning. She looks at you, gauging your reaction. What do you think, Yoga? Does that make sense to you? Options. 1. Agree with Lyra. Accept Lyra's suggestion that the answer might be fire, and try giving that as your answer to the riddle. 2. Consider other possibilities. If you think there might be another answer, take a moment to consider what else the riddle could be describing. 3. Ask the elder for confirmation. Approach the elder and see if he can confirm whether you're on the right track with the answer being fire. What will you do?
Anjay, puzzle tai. Apa nih? I'm not alive. Dia ngasih tahu Lyra furrow her brow. Think deeply for a moment. It sounds like it's describing something natural. Oh, describe. Pokoknya natural lah. Something connected to the forest. The part about growing without being alive. Tumbuh tanpa hidup. Maybe it's something like fire. Fire ya? Api, Cok. Fire grow. Bener? Dia tumbuh, but it's not alive. Tapi dia tidak hidup. And it need air to survive. Oh, api perlu udara ya untuk hidup ya. Untuk survive, bertahan. Oh, it can also be extinguished by water. Dipadamkan sama air. Which could be what it meant by drowning. Oh, coba tadi apa tadi? And I can drown. Aku bisa tenggelam gitu. Oh, tenggelam itu kan identik sama air. Water. Bukan air udara. Kok pinter banget Lira anjir. Gua yang sekuler tadi ya. Anak sekolahan. What do you think, Yoga? Does that make sense to you? Bener nih kayaknya nih. Kita yakinin dulu yuk. Nanya sama elder. Masa nanya lagi anjir, lemah banget nanya. Yuk kita tanya. Ask to the elder for the clue.
You decide to seek the elder's confirmation before giving an answer. You approach him with Lyra's suggestion in mind. We think the answer to the riddle might be fire. It grows without being alive, needs air, and can be extinguished by water. Are we on the right track? The elder listens carefully, nodding as you explain your reasoning. A small smile forms on his lips, and he gives you a knowing look. You are indeed on the right track. Fire is a fitting answer, for it embodies the duality of the forest, both creation and destruction. It represents warmth and light, but also danger and power. You've understood well. With a nod of approval, the elder gestures toward the box. As you turn back to it, the carvings on the box begin to glow softly, and the lid opens wider. Inside, you find a small, intricately crafted emblem, a circular symbol resembling intertwined vines and flames. Take this emblem. It will guide you through the secret path in the Whispering Woods. But remember, the forest is still full of challenges. The emblem will show you the way, but your journey is far from over. With the emblem in hand, you feel a sense of accomplishment and readiness for the journey ahead. Options. 1. Thank the elder and return to Lyra. Express your gratitude to the elder and return to Lyra to discuss your next steps. 2. Ask the elder for more guidance. See if the elder has any additional advice or warnings before you enter the forest. 3. Head straight to the Whispering Woods. Now that you have the emblem, you could proceed directly to the woods and begin searching for the secret path. What will you do next?
Anjir, Lyra pinter cu. Kenapa nggak dia jadi ketua timnya ya anjir? It grow without being alive, need air and can be extinguished by water. Are we on the right track? Oh, you are indeed. Fire is a fitting answer, for it embodies duality of the forest, both creation and destruction. Oh, ya kebuka deh. Belum dijawab juga. Take this emblem. It will guide you through the secret path in the Whispering Wood. But remember, the forest is still full of challenge. The emblem will show you the way, but your journey is far from over. Si jauh katanya, Cuk, petualangan kita. With the emblem in hand, you feel a sense of accomplishment and readiness for the journey. Oh, kita siap lah jadinya ya. Kita siap untuk petualangan. Thank the elder and return to... mending yang satu aja lah. Thank the elder and return to Lyra.
You turn to the elder and offer a respectful bow. Thank you for your wisdom and guidance. We wouldn't have been able to solve the riddle without your help. The elder nods, his expression warm and knowing. May the forest watch over you, young mage. The path ahead is perilous, but with courage and the right companions, you will find your way. With the emblem safely in your possession, you return to Lyra, who is waiting patiently by the gate. You share the good news, and she gives you an approving nod, clearly relieved to have the key to the secret path. It seems we're ready to enter the Whispering Woods. Let's be careful. Who knows what lies ahead? With that, you and Lyra leave the village of Eldertree behind, setting your sights on the misty, mysterious forest before you. The journey is just beginning, and with the emblem in hand, you feel a renewed sense of purpose and determination. End of Chapter 1, The Riddle of the Elder. This concludes the first chapter of your adventure. We can continue exploring the Whispering Woods or start a new adventure whenever you're ready. How did you find the journey so far?
Chapter 1 tamat. Oke. Anjay. May the forest watch over you. Oh. Yongmek, wah anjir, Yongmek gak tuh. The path ahead is perilous. Apa tuh? Perilous. Perilous. Berbahaya. Waduh, jalannya bahaya. The path ahead is perilous, but with courage, dengan keberanian, and the right companion, dengan company. Oh, kayaknya teman ya, teman yang tepat ya. You will find your way. Oh, Lyra, ini Lyra disebutnya. Oh, dia ditunggu Lyra di gerbang. Katanya Lyra, it seems we're ready to enter the Whispering Wood. Wah, kayaknya kita udah siap nih, gitu katanya. Let's be careful. Let's be careful. Who knows what lies ahead? Kita nggak tahu ya apa yang ada di depannya ya. Apa yang menanti maksudnya mungkin. With that, you and Lyra left the village. Oh, kita udah meninggalkan village tuh. Misty tuh kayak kabur ya. Mysterious forest before you. The journey is just beginning, and with the emblem in hand, you feel renewed sense. Renew tuh baru, tapi diperbarui gitu. Renew. Oh, diperbarui, dah benar. Renew sense of purpose and determination. Wibawa lah ya, berwibawa jadinya cu. Nggak bisa gambar. Bentar. Mana tadi anjir? Can you give me description image of the emblem? Tajam. Gak ada gambarnya gitu kayak. Gambar kayak kasih anjir. Oh nggak bisa generate karena servernya rame cuk. Anjay. Ya udah deh, segitu aja dulu deh. Besok capture 2. Oke.